So here we are. We're back here at the table. Let's start the assembly of the wings here. I've got the wings set up here. Still in the plastic. Got my servos for my flaps. Servos for my ailerons. My servo extensions for my flaps. My servo extensions for my ailerons. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out the package here. Get a nice, better view here. So I'm going to go ahead and set up some 15-minute epoxy, because on our hinges here, they're not like regular hinges. We're going to be epoxying the hinges inside the flaps and the rudder area. So let me set it up here and I'll get you guys a closer view of what I'm doing here. Okay, so see, for the flap area, I've got my epoxy here already pre-mixed. And you can see here that the hinges are not like the normal hinges you would use with CA. So what I'm going to do with the first hinge is dip it inside the epoxy, lube the area to make sure the epoxy gets inside there and locks this in. Now this hinge, it moves up and down, so we want to make sure we get it in there perfect without getting epoxy on the joint that's actually going to move here. It's going to do the same thing all the way down. Make sure the epoxy gets inside the hole so it locks up inside there. Make sure they're straight. And this is actually the flap section here that I'm actually epoxying. So we got those three in there. Now what I'm going to do here now is place me some painter's tape here. Make sure it stays in position. Give me just enough to make sure it goes into the hole there. Sure it slides in there nice and straight. Epoxy starting to cure. Make sure we have it at an up and down angle. Grab my last one here. Make sure all three of them are in a straight up and down area, because this is going to be moving this way. So it's important to make sure that you got each one at an angle that it go up and down. Don't want to place one in there where it goes left or right. You'll be in big trouble. So we'll go ahead and let this right here set up. And I'll do the same steps for the next one. Then I'll go ahead and start inserting the servos here. We'll be using a 325 for the flap and a 425 for the aileron. Okay, so we're back here. So with blue tape here is on here. Let's go ahead and peel off the tape and see how our epoxy's set here. Go ahead and peel this off. See what the results were. Make sure everything is in operation, moving with perfection here. So we have our operating. It's in there nice and tight. And we'll test the flap. Nice. So we have everything moving here. So now I'll go ahead and install the servos where the holes are already pre-cut for you, both areas. Don't have to worry about cutting the monocoat itself. So let's go ahead and install the servos. Okay, for the servo installation. So we got the 425 here that I've already got hooked up and taped here. As you can see, I've used some hinge tape here to connect the servo extension. And there's a little thread that goes through here that pulls the servo extension through the wing. So we'll go ahead and pull this through here. Servo fits perfectly in that slot. Go ahead and do the same thing with the 325 servo. Goes right in here. Sits right in there. It fits in there perfectly also. So we have both servos in there, as you can see. Okay, so here we are. We have the servos installed for both wings. Have everything taped up here because all the wires are running out until I'm ready to go ahead and run them through the middle section, which will be next. Here's the second wing, same deal. Servos are in there. Wires are taped to the side here. So that'll be it for the servo wing installation of the flaps and the ailerons. Look for the next video here. We'll be connecting the whole wing into one piece, installing the white connectors and the control horns, and we'll test them.